the head of the institution, and to your friends. Any one of you, the girl or the boy. In Hindi, Bangla, English, whichever language you feel comfortable. Please your friends. Mama, no one. As you will, certainly one.
Good afternoon, everyone. The program, the initiative taken by Nandi Foundation by Mahindra Pride Classroom. In this program, we learned about the necessary skills which are required and which are in demand in today's job market, especially in teaching field. So, Mrs. Tanvima Bakshi ma'am, she has beautifully explained each and every skill and the scenarios and the situations which we will face when we will go in interview situation. So I'm very thankful to ma'am that she was so dedicated for these 6 days, 6 hours, and she continuously spoke for 6 hours. She didn't have any lunch in the lunch period. She used to do work and everything. So we all are inspired from her as well as that whenever we will get the job, our work ethic should be like her. So thank you so much.
At first, thank you ma'am for conducting this session especially. I think it is very much beneficial for you and your future also. So you should enhance your learning or enhance your skill and then you can apply what you can learn in this total session. So I think it is done by nicely done by ma'am. So thank you ma'am. Thank you our colleague also for guiding us and conducting this session very well.
Thank you ma'am and Nandi Foundation Mahindra Pride Classroom for organizing such a skill enhancing classes for you for your future job and whatever you want. This is not only for that you just focus on the teaching, but also whenever you just teach in school and also colleges and whatever. जब अपने बच्चे को भी हम लोग सिखाएंगे तो you just follow that kind of the rules and thank you ma'am, thank you our beloved student for attend that class very purposeful. Thank you.
And any of the team members who are present? So please
afternoon everyone. First of all, I would like to thank then Nandi Foundation for arranging such a beautiful program to empower women. And last but not the least, I would like to thank our President sir, Principal sir and all the faculty members who give us the opportunity to attend such program and enhance ourselves. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you so much, Nandi Foundation. আমাদের 6 দিনের ম্যাম প্রচুর কিছু শিখিয়েছেন এবং এই কোর্স থেকে আমরা অনেক কিছু শিখতে পেরেছি। আমরা মানে আমাদের কনফিডেন্ট প্রচণ্ড বেড়েছে এবং থ্যাংক ইউ আমাদের কলেজের সবাইকে প্রচণ্ড ধন্যবাদ আমাদের এই ফ্রিতে আমাদের এই কোর্সটা করানোর জন্য, যেটা আমাদের ফিউচারে আমাদের যে কোনো